Page 90, this is the one at the bottom of the page in G major. Same thing we did in the last lesson we're doing here, except rather than Roman numerals, they're giving you the chord numbers. Here, they're giving you the chord names. We're in the key of G major, so it's 1 sharp, F sharps, but then you're playing these chords. So the first thing I suggest is make sure we know what the chords are. In G major, we have a chord, G chord. It's the 1 chord, or the tonic chord. Wouldn't hurt to know all these names. I don't know if they're going to use them, just well learn them, I guess. And then the second major, we have an A minor chord with a C on the bottom. We'll come down here. A minor with a C on the bottom. So that would be there. Now that's not like a 3, you're not using the same chord sequence as up above. You might start and end on a 1 chord, but who knows what's going to happen. And probably got to have 5, 7 in front of the 1. We'll see. Don't have to, but we'll see. But here we're starting with the 1 chord, and then we're going to an A minor chord here with the C on the bottom, so it's here. So it is just a 2 chord in first inversion. Then we have the D7 chord, well in G major, that's the 5/7 chord. And then the G, we had the cadence. And then measure 5, we have a C chord with a G on the bottom here. That's a 4 chord. Then a G, 5/7, G. Well, that's easier than the other one because it's primary chords except for the A minor chord. You're using a 2 chord. So then you're making up a melody using primarily those notes. There's 4/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just make up some melody, and then you do the chords to see it. Just make up something, and then they suggesting the Alberti bass up here. I don't care where you play, just make up something. You do it. It's just, again, you're using your ears. Does it sound okay? Are you using the right notes in the chord? And for the most part, you're using those notes in the melody, but you can have passing notes and neighbor notes here. That's passing note, because that's what I was doing. I just connected it. And here, and that's just a connecting note. And here, the 5/7, a 5/7 in G majors is D. And then that G, it's just, you make up something. And have fun with it, I reckon. And again, I would take a piece of blank manuscript paper. That's just a paper with a bunch of blank stabs on it. And I would write stuff out. Just experiment and have fun with it. Try different things out.